Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy Instagram profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin in the third step. Open up Instagram app. Then right here tap at your profile picture. Next, on your profile page, you will see 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on that button to open a menu. From the pop-up menu, tap on the QR code. From here you can share your profile. You can tap at that share profile button, and then select the way you want to share your profile link with someone. Or right from here you can copy the link to your Instagram profile directly to your clipboard. To do that, just hit add copy link. That copy is linked to the clipboard. Now you can paste the copied URL wherever you want, into the Facebook, on the Instagram posts, or on your YouTube profile. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing. Please, write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial.